On this week's episode of Footings to Finished, we're going to check in on Lot 6, where that home is getting insulation, windows, and some more siding. And we're even going to take a sneak peek at our other lot, Lot 5, where this floor plan is completely different and has some really great ideas I know you're going to want to see. I'm Steph Saunders with Key Team at Compass, and you're watching Footings to Finished. The siding continues in this gorgeous slate gray with a little bit of blue siding. We've got windows, we've got insulation. This project is really moving along. Here in the garage, all the walls that face interior parts of the home will have insulation. But if we flip around to the garage over here, the exterior walls of the garage won't have insulation, although some people do upgrade to insulate their entire garage. Today we're working on two kinds of insulation. The fiberglass insulation is going into the walls here, and then over here they're working on blowing in insulation up into the ceiling. This week we even got windows, so the whole front of the house had all of the windows installed. It's really coming along. I thought it would be fun this week to also show you another model that we've been building. So the one we've been spending a lot of time up at the top of the cul-de-sac, that's the Hunter. This is the Lincoln. The Hunter has a huge open concept living and dining room, along with a porch out to the side, a big giant bay window. Look at this thing. That dirt won't be there. And then if you look all the way up here, there's a really big open landing that leads up to the bedrooms upstairs. This home is on the MLS for $925,000, and it's available right now with plenty of time to pick all the finishes that you want to make it your own. Reach out for a tour. I'll be happy to show you around. If you're loving this content, then hey, why not subscribe to this channel, like the content, leave a comment, start a conversation, and don't forget to show this to a friend who may be thinking about building new construction here in Southern New Hampshire. I'm Steph Saunders with Key Team at Compass, and I'll see you next week, Wednesdays 5 p.m. only on YouTube for another episode of Footings to Finished.